What's up, everyone? It's King J here, and we're back here with another video on about some planetary stuff. So here, we are, a exoplanet, app that tells you. So right here is our own solar system. Right here is our very own Earth. As you see, it is spinning, the solar system, Voyager 2, maybe if we click on Voyager 2, it will click, I don't know. But yeah, so if you want to see more like this and about Fortnite and other stuff, challenges, make sure to subscribe and like. And yeah, so we're going to get in with the video, and here we go. So let's start with our own solar system. So we got the rocky planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. And here, we'll zoom in the Mars here. Here's Mars. Little polar regions, has water and frozen water and carbon dioxide, I think there. True story about this, or at least the scientists think about this, is long time ago Mars had a strong magnetic field until, it cooled down and, the sun, solar wind broke down its atmosphere and its chances of life went down. But, yeah, so we have our sun is a main sequence star, and we're going to just look at some other systems that they think they're habitable. Yeah, and this is a asteroid, it looks like. I didn't honestly think that, the asteroid, so it must have been a little update since the last time I seen it. Yeah, a NEO, near-Earth, or NEA, and not NEO, NEA, near-Earth asteroid. Mercury, I mean, it's basically barren all around, no very thin atmosphere. Venus, very strong atmosphere and dense. And, Earth, the only planet known to life. Yeah, so... yeah, if we click some info about it, it just tells, actually not that, the whole solar system comparison. So, and this app is on the App Store on iOS, and is on the iOS store, so you can get it for your very own on Apple Android store. So if we click on here, and these are the size comparisons to the planet, and here's the sun. So this is the moon, Mercury, Mars, Venus, Earth, Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, Jupiter, sun. And here's the habitable zone. So as you see, Earth and Mars is in the habitable zone. So maybe Mars one of these days will be habitable, but who knows. Venus is on really the edge, and Mercury is no chance because it's, not in the habitable zone. And the four giants, as well as Pluto, they're not in the habitable zone either, but maybe trying in 4 billion years they might, but yeah. So, okay, so I want to take you to another system. Here's a new one that Jesus added. We'll go to Proxima Centauri, the triple star system, 4.2 light years, the closest star from the sun. It's right there. So if we click on it, Alpha Centauri, here's Proxima Centauri, Alpha Centauri B, and we'll go here first. So these do not have any planets. Actually, it does have planets. I did not notice that. So, here, we'll click here. Okay, so there's 2 planets on Alpha Centauri. And then we have Alpha Centauri A, and that has no planets. But that's binary. And then, if you include Proxima, that's trinary. Click here. Proxima Centauri B, C, and B. Actually, it must have a... yeah, it has a D, actually, so... I didn't know that. Learning stuff new every day. Okay, so let's take a look at this system. Okay, so this is a image, what they think might be Alpha Centauri AB, the double star system, appears in the upper right, as well as Proxima, the brightest. Yeah. Proxima Centauri B, that's what it might look like. I don't know. So Proxima Centauri D is in the habitable zone here. Here's how they found it, by wave radio, I think. I don't know. I'll have to check more into that. I haven't really understood that part. And here's some more stuff. See, habitable zone 1.15 to 2.01 AU. And yeah, so that. And you can see the constellations in the background. It might look a little weird since, well, we're in a different star system, but we'll go to Keplar-62, I think it's what it's called. Oh, I have to put the hyphen 62 system. It's not showing up for, oh, here we go. Okay, here we'll go into, yeah, this one is one of my personal favorites because this was the first one that I've known about. So yeah, here we go. Okay, so E and F are Earth, super Earths, so they're in the habitable zone, as well as we have Kepler-62c, which is about Mars-sized, and Kepler, the other two are too hot to support life, I think, but are right here, and yeah. And then to the other planets, including the Sun and Kepler-62. So, yeah. And this is the part of the system, and we'll be back for... Alright, so there's a Kepler-62 system, so we'll go to our next one that I have, the trappist-1 system. So we'll go to trappist-1e. They think it's an Earth-size habitable planet. So that's a TRAPPIST-1 star. Yeah, here we go. TRAPPIST-1. And this is how they found it, by like the shadow, the planet coming in the sun. So TRAPPIST-1e is about, I want to say, almost Venusian size. Yeah. TRAPPIST-1d and H are down there. These are basically like super Earths almost. And, yeah. Jupiter, TRAPPIST-1, and the Sun. So, I want to point out that I think Jupiter is almost the size of TRAPPIST. Oh, yeah, not too bad. So we'll go to E. I mean, it doesn't have anything around it because they don't know what it's like. But we'll go into here again for the habitable zone. So this is weird because I thought TRAPPIST-1e was in the habitable zone, but I guess I stand corrected. But so C might be one that's good, but different people will say different things. Like it depends on like what website, and so we'll just go to a random one now. So let's go. How about we go to WASP 62, I think. Oh yeah, 63b. This one I think is a hot Jupiter which orbits so close to its star it burns up. And yeah, here we go. Yeah, it's about a little bit bigger than Jupiter. Its habitable zone is pretty far out, but okay, anywho, let's go here to its size comparison. So I think, yeah, it's a little bit bigger than the Sun. There's Earth, and there's WASP 63b compared to Jupiter. And this is where, I forgot to point this out, and this is where it's located in the night sky, in that little area. So, oops. That goes back to Earth. Okay, we'll do one more. So, I just want to point out some of these planets, and I thought they're cool. How about we go to this new one? How about we go to this new one? It wasn't here last time I checked in this app. HD68988. Yeah, so we'll go. It only has a couple. We had two, a little bit bigger than the sun. Habitable zone is. Let me see if there's a habitable zone. There has to be a habitable zone. Oh, here we go. 1.56 to 2.68 AU. So close by. So yeah, that wraps up for the video. We'll head back to the sun. And yeah, hope you liked the video. I just want to give a little quick introduction to this. Purples are the satellites, and yeah, hope you enjoyed the this little intro about this little app. You can get it in the App Store or Google Play, and it's free. So hope to see you guys next time in my next video, and yeah, hope you have a great one, and peace.